The statistics are troubling. Experts in 2024 estimate that 1 in 7 people has been a victim of online blackmail, with sextortion being one of the most common forms. But don't panic. This guide is designed to be your first step toward recovery and empowerment in 2025. We'll walk through everything from confronting online criminals to finding resources that can help you rebuild. Together, we'll navigate the rough waters of blackmail and guide you towards safety. The best ways to recover from online blackmail. When dealing with online blackmail, your well-being must come first. Reach out to a mental health professional to help manage the emotional toll that often accompanies these experiences. Begin gathering evidence, screenshots, saved messages, and records, and consider contacting forensic experts who can help ensure the removal of harmful content. These professionals can be invaluable when it comes to identifying sources and ensuring damaging content is taken down across platforms. Immediate steps if you're targeted by online blackmail. If you find yourself in this position, the first move is to document everything. Capture screenshots of conversations, save URLs, and collect all relevant details. Avoid blocking the blackmailer, as that can sometimes escalate matters. Instead, report the incident to the platform where it occurred and prepare everything you've collected for a police report. In fact, in 2024, more than 36% of reported blackmail cases resulted in law enforcement involvement. This demonstrates the importance of acting swiftly. Remember to subscribe for more content on protecting your accounts and staying ahead of online threats. Resources and support for sextortion victims. There are many excellent resources available for those facing blackmail or sextortion. Organizations offer hotlines and online support groups that can make a real difference. One key example is the Cyber Civil Rights Initiative, which provides valuable advice for victims navigating these challenges. Connecting with a community that understands your situation not only offers emotional relief, but also practical guidance for your next steps. Are you facing blackmail? Take back control today. Call Blackmail Helpline. Strengthening your digital safety after blackmail. Once the immediate threat has been managed, enhancing your digital security is crucial. Here's a simple checklist. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Review and update your social media privacy settings regularly. Limit the personal information you share online. And learn how to recognize phishing attempts. What steps do you take to protect yourself? Share your ideas in the comments. Empowering yourself after blackmail. Recovery also means reclaiming your confidence. Focus on building healthy boundaries that feel right for you and allow yourself to trust again. Engage in activities that bring you joy and surround yourself with supportive people. Supporting victims of sextortion. Helping someone through sextortion requires empathy and understanding. Create a safe, non-judgmental space where they can share freely. Be present, listen attentively, and remind them that they don't have to face this alone. Why choose Blackmail Helpline? At Blackmail Helpline, we begin with a detailed interview to create a tailored strategy for your unique situation, whether it's sextortion, romance scams, or investment fraud. We employ advanced IP tracking tools to pinpoint the scammer's location down to the country, city, and even service provider. Once identified, we continue monitoring your accounts for ongoing risks. Our mission is to ensure harmful content is fully removed, while also preparing a comprehensive evidence report for you. With a 95% success rate in eliminating damaging material, you can feel confident and secure again. Conclusion. In summary, recovering from online blackmail involves decisive steps, removing harmful content, seeking expert help, and leaning on supportive networks for both emotional and practical strength. Remember, digital safety is an ongoing journey, and staying informed is your strongest defense. If you need help, don't hesitate to contact us. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com. Your safety and recovery are our top priorities. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, Visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.